Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to improve collaboration with your remote team, you're in the right place. Today we'll walk you through how to use Microsoft Teams to streamline communication, share files, and manage tasks, all in one place. Let's get started. 1. Set up your teams and channels. The first step is to create a team. A team is a group of people working together on a project or topic. Inside each team, you can create channels based on different topics or departments. Channels keep discussions organized and allow your team to focus on specific subjects. Best for structuring communication and keeping everything organized. 2. Chat and direct messages. Teams allows you to send direct messages to individuals or groups, making it easy to communicate without cluttering up email. You can also create threads within channels to keep conversations focused. The chat feature also supports file sharing, emojis, and mentions to keep everyone in the loop. Best for quick and direct communication with colleagues. #3. Video and audio calls. For more interactive meetings, you can use Teams for video and audio calls. You can schedule calls or make instant calls directly from a chat or channel. Teams also supports screen sharing, making it easy to collaborate on documents and presentations during meetings. Best for virtual meetings and face-to-face communication with remote teams. 4. File sharing and collaboration. Teams integrates seamlessly with OneDrive and SharePoint, allowing you to share files with your team and collaborate on documents in real time. Whether you're working on Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, everyone can edit and comment on files without needing to leave the Teams platform. Best for collaborating on documents and sharing files with your team. 5. Task management with Planner. Microsoft Teams integrates with Microsoft Planner, which allows you to manage tasks and track progress. You can create task lists, assign tasks to team members, and set deadlines, all within Teams. This keeps everything in one place and helps teams stay organized. Best for managing and tracking team tasks and projects. #6. Integrate with other apps. Teams allows you to integrate with hundreds of third-party apps like Trello, Asana, and GitHub, as well as other Microsoft tools. These integrations can enhance the functionality of Teams and help automate processes, making your remote collaboration even more efficient. Best for customizing Teams with your favorite tools and automating workflows. 7. Stay organized with meetings and calendar. Microsoft Teams has a built-in calendar that syncs with Outlook. You can schedule meetings directly in Teams and invite participants to join with a single click. The platform also supports meeting reminders, agendas, and notes, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Best for scheduling, managing, and keeping track of meetings. 8. Use Teams for team building and engagement. Teams also includes fun features like praise, which allows you to recognize your team members for a job well done. This adds a personal touch to remote collaboration and helps build a positive team culture, even from afar. Best for recognizing achievements and boosting team morale. Which one should you use? For organizing collaboration, Teams is perfect for structuring conversations, tasks, and documents in one place. For improving communication, Teams offers instant messaging, video calls, and file sharing, making communication effortless. For project management, integrating Planner allows for easy task management and collaboration. For seamless integration, Microsoft Teams integrates smoothly with other Microsoft 365 tools and third-party apps. Using Microsoft Teams for remote collaboration will make your team more productive, organized, and connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.